Yogi fuckers and fuckettes. I just had a call from a kid. He wants to know how to hook up a relay because he wants both his headlights to come on. And the only one that I've got is in a DPDT is 120 volt. But these damn things, they've always got a schematic on them. Or if you buy them from Radio Shack, they got a schematic in the box somewhere. But this is just basic principle. What you've got is a set of little arms in the middle. And when these get power, one of them's going to be ground, one of them's going to be hot, and generally 12 volt. I put a 4700 microfarad capacitor behind it just to keep the relay itself cooled off, because I'm one of these that if I'm doing this for high beams, I'm going to leave my high beams on for a little while. You know, sometimes you're out country roads up in Montana somewhere, you know, you ain't shutting them bitches off. But what happens is when we're going to say that this is the positive pole for the relay. Now they're in a resting position right now. When this one gets power, both of these arms come up and move it on up. Well, just use, you really don't even need but one side of the damn thing, because, well, no, you do need both sides. But what I'll generally do is, coming off of here, I'll have my low beam power coming in, because he's got a single pole, well, he's got a, single pole double throw switch is pretty standard for a headlight switch. But when it's on low beam, I'll just have one wire coming off down here, and there's usually a bar to where these can carry power, so let's add one in there. We're going to just say that those are your power bar, and they'll carry power to your center. A lot of people use the resting position for off, so you don't have to use that. But usually, yeah, on a double pole, double throw, there's eight fucking connections. And for simplicity, because I've already said that this one was your kicker. So, when it's in its natural resting position with no power applied, my positive from my low beam is tied. Now, my low beam goes through, and then my high beam, no, my low beam power is tied here, that's my hot, because it's always on when the bike's on. And I just have one wire off this side from the resting position going to one light. Now, for the high beam position, you can do this with a single pole double throw. For the high beam position, my positive gets shifted up to there, and I will have both of them, one going to each light. It's that simple. And like I say, there's always a schematic on these damn relays. I'm sorry, dude, I don't have, you know, but you can see right here, you got your power. Actually, on this one, it's hot and neutral instead of hot and ground, but you got your power, you got your carrier pole, which hits the bottom of these if you want it to. It's that simple. You can't just run out of that switch into two wires for your high beam and tie them together, and you know, because then you got them both on all the time. And he's talking about he wants to run one for low beam and both for high beam, which I understand what he's doing. He's using them Ortronics. What did he? Is it Ortronics or Optronics? I can't remember what he said. Hopefully, one of y'all will leave a video comment and show him a better way to, you know, I mean, it's going to be the same damn way, but hey, this is the best I could do for you, dude. Hopefully somebody else helps you out. Holler at y'all fuckers and fuckettes later. I don't know any other way to explain that. It's that damn simple. I mean, there's a little set of contacts in there that goes back and forth between them. That's all there is. And if you're going to set it up that way, I'd recommend about a 10 amp double pole double throw. You can get away with a single pole double throw, but I do not recommend that. I'd recommend the double because it's always isolated. Resting position, boom. And then when your high beam comes on, have that feed the power to trip your relay, bring it over, let those two feed both your lights, and then have your positive pole running through the middle. Or you, yeah, I said that these were the bar, but alright, y'all get the idea. Holler at y'all fuckers and fuck yes later.